Welcome to SAPinsider EMEA 2024 in Copenhagen. Today is the third day in the event, so the event is mainly over 2 days and a half. This is why today most of the people have already left, and this gives me the chance to show you how it feels to be an SAPinsider. The event has been amazing. I have already published many updates during the 2 previous days, so let me show you how it feels like. So this is Copenhagen, and this is Tivoli Hotel. And this is where the event is hosted, which is a great thing because all the speakers, most of the visitors are staying in the same hotel, which means we get to have breakfast together, lunch together, attend the event. Then even at night, people go to dinner together. So it is a great networking opportunity. Most of the people I have met are either SAP clients or SAP consultants that work internally in client companies or SAP consultants that work for SAP itself or other SAP partners. There are also a lot of integration tools. So developers who developed integration tools that can work to upload data on SAP, improve security, and so on. So let's go inside, and I'm going to show you the main event location or the main event hall. So this is the main event hall, and as you see here, we have different sponsors. There are not a lot of people available now because there is a very important session going in the main theater, which gives me the chance to capture this video because if I capture the videos of anyone, I would have to ask their permission. So as you see, this is the main event hall. We have different sponsors here. It is over 2 floors. So in the second floor, we have some meeting rooms, and here we have also some other meeting rooms. And the main theme for the event is building bridges, which means building networks and community. But they are actually building bridges, which was a very smart idea from the event organizer. So they started putting these Lego bricks. And actually, when this started, there was nothing at all here. So this started 2 days ago, and now, as you see, this has advanced very well. So this was all built by the community, and it's really amazing. It takes a lot of effort. We still have a lot of Lego bricks to go, so people can still freely build, but this has really advanced very nicely. So this is the theme of the event. And I like it. It is actually literally building bridges. And I personally have built a lot of bridges with a lot of different connections in this event. Here we go into the main event hall. As you see, there is a session already going on. And this is about P2P and automation. This is the main event hall where the keynote speaker started and where it all started. So we have 2 floors. Some people are sitting on the second floor in the terrace or in the balcony, whatever you call it. And then here we have a lot of attendees in the first floor. We have some sponsors. So SAP is the main sponsor, and they are over here. And then we have the sessions that I had to leave in order to make this video to show you how it feels like. So this is the main event room. So there are different sessions happening together at the same time. So you have a session that's happening always in the main conference room or the main hall that we just saw right now. And then we have different other rooms that are smaller. And in each room, you have a different session. We also have an application that was developed by the event organizer. So it's called SAPinsider. And in this application, we have all the sessions that are available with the timing speaker. It's really an amazing application. This is my first SAPinsider experience, and it has been really very easy to find the sessions that I want to attend and also the rooms that I need to go to in order to attend the session. So the point is there are different sessions happening at the same time. So this way they can have maximum knowledge during the event period. So you have to choose which session you want to attend. You cannot attend everything because in the same time you can have 4 or 5 different sessions in parallel. So you can have, for example, a session for B2B, another session for finance, another session for something related to security. So different tracks at the same time, and you have to choose the track you are interested in to be able to choose which session you want to attend. You can freely attend, so you don't have to pre-register. But for you, in order to really benefit from the sessions, you should be there when the session starts. So you need to, in advance, check all the sessions that are available, choose which ones you want to attend, save them in your schedule. So this way you know where to go at each time. So we have a session at 9 a.m., then we have another session at 10, another session at 11, and so on. This is one of the rooms we use for the sessions, and this is a room that we use for what we call what is in your mind sessions. The objective of what's in your mind session is to discuss with all the attendees about a certain topic. It is a kind of a round table, which means that everyone gets to participate. This is why the speaker is much closer to the attendees than all the other rooms. So here we have a couch, it's very comfortable, and we have the speaker who is here. We have a presentation, and then you have different tables where people can actually sit around the table, and everyone gets to participate. So the speaker would start the discussion, and we have a topic for the session, of course. So everyone who is here is already interested about the topic, and then people will start discussing together, asking questions, answering each other's questions. The speaker can also help. This is very interesting because in the same room, you can have some SAP clients, some SAP consultants who work in clients like support teams, and you have some consultants who work in partners, and you can even have some consultants who work at SAP itself, and they all discuss a certain topic. So this has been very useful. I have organized one of these sessions yesterday for the Universal Journal and also margin analysis, and it was really very beneficial. Personally, I have learned a lot of things from this. I'm actually very lucky to be able to find a room that's empty to show you, because in the previous 2 days, it was impossible to find a room that's empty. So we have back-to-back sessions, people always in the rooms. There is no time to record anything. This is why I've chosen day 3. So let me take this as a chance to tell you about my experience in the event so far. But let me sit down first. So let me start with the benefits of attending this event from my point of view. So the first benefit is networking. I got to meet a lot of SAP mentors, SAP champions, clients, consultants, and it has been really amazing from a social point of view and from a career point of view. So I was able to understand what are the different concerns of the different people. So I could see all the clients complaining about the same things or worried about the same things. And also I got to discuss with different SAP mentors and the champions to understand where SAP is heading next. We even discussed the situation that's happening in SAP where different managers are leaving and so on. And it has been a very interesting discussion. So this was really a major benefit for me. The second benefit is now I understand where SAP is going. And this happens thanks to the sessions that I attended and the sessions that are available in the schedule. So now you understand that there are different sessions happening in parallel at every hour. So it's impossible for me to attend all the sessions, but I could see all the titles of the different sessions in the application. So now I understand that all of the sessions, they revolve around the same subjects. And now I understand that these are the important topics to learn and to read more about in the future for SAP consultants and even for SAP clients. So as an SAP consultant, you can understand where SAP is heading, to have an awareness about the market, and also to see if you can learn something new that can improve your career. And for SAP clients, it is really very important to understand these new directions because this is going to impact you. So you need to understand what are the products that are going out of support, what are the products that are being introduced by SAP, what are the products that are being replaced, to know where you are heading next. So what are the main topics that all of these sessions discuss? From my own point of view, remember that I'm an SAP financial consultant mainly. So the topics that interest me are mainly related to finance, but I also attended some other sessions to understand where SAP is heading. I may forget some topics that are not related to me at all. This is why I couldn't summarize them for you. But I'm going to share with you a list of all the sessions that are available in the event. So you can also check the topics and make your own opinion about where SAP is heading. So from my point of view, the main topics that are being discussed in this event are first, business technology platform. Second is artificial intelligence, so SAP Joule, Core AI, and things related to generative AI and AI automation. And the third topic is related to ALM, so application lifecycle management, which is replacing solution manager. And the fourth topic is related to tax compliance and regulatory things, so document reporting and compliance, DRC, and many things related to tax updates, e-invoicing, and localization requirements for tax in Europe and outside Europe. So these are the main 4 topics from my point of view. There are many other topics related to security, infrastructure, integration, and so on that I haven't really checked, but I'm going to leave you the list so you can check the list of sessions yourself. Now, about my experience as a speaker in an SAPinsider event. So this is to anyone who gets the opportunity to participate in one of these events. It has been really a privilege. Everything is very well organized from the first contact with the organizers until the event itself, the sessions, everything is very well organized. It was very easy to book all the flight tickets, the hotel, everything was very easy to do. The preparation of the sessions, the ideas that they share with you about the sessions, the session topics that are of interest to people. So they have statistics or something that tells them what are the sessions that people are looking for. So you actually come into the session with a topic that people are interested in, which is amazing because you get a lot of attendees and you actually get to share your experience and to discuss with others what they think about the topic you are presenting. And also, the second thing is, as a speaker, you get this badge that has a speaker tag, and this really facilitates approaching others and discussing with them, building relations, because it shows that you are an expert in what you do. I also have my SAP champion shirt. So I actually hesitated whether I should wear this when I first came to the event. But once I started the first day, I found that there are a lot of SAP mentors. There are also other SAP champions, and all of them are wearing these t-shirts. So this is really a privilege. I never got to show this shirt in public before, and it really helps in discussing with others because you can easily find someone approaching you and asking questions about SAP products, and so on. And it has been really amazing. So the experience of being a speaker in one of these events is really a privilege. I'm really honored to be here. The main thing for me is that I got to meet other SAP mentors that actually started working on SAP 20 years before I even joined the market. So I have met mentors who started working on SAP in 1998, in 2003, 2004. So I actually started working in the SAP field, reading articles and blogs shared by these SAP mentors. So it has been really a privilege to meet all of them. I have taken photos with most of them and shared them on LinkedIn. I'm also going to put some photos in the video here just for future reference, even for me. So this video is something that I'm doing so I can even watch it in the future to remember how it felt to be in SAP Insider EMEA 2024.